Welcome to Axocosmic. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we encourage you to do so now. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated and be the first to know when we release new content.
Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It involves being fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the environment around you. Incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily life can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. Here are some mindfulness techniques you can practice throughout your day.
Mindful breathing. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably or lie down. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Observe the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can do this for a few minutes or as long as you like. Mindful eating. Before you start eating, take a moment to appreciate the appearance and aroma of your food. As you eat, chew slowly and pay attention to the taste and texture of each bite. Put down your utensils between bites to avoid rushing through the meal. Notice when you feel full and satisfied. Body scan. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting. Close your eyes and start to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you breathe deeply, try to relax those areas and release any physical tension you may be holding. Mindful walking. Take a walk, preferably in nature, but any environment will do. As you walk, be aware of the movement of your body and the sensations in your feet as they make contact with the ground. If your mind drifts to thoughts or distractions, gently bring your attention back to your walking. Mindful listening. When someone is speaking to you, give them your full attention. Avoid interrupting or thinking about your response while they are talking. Truly listen to what they are saying, and if you find your mind wandering, gently redirect your focus back to the speaker. Gratitude practice. Set aside a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. It could be the people in your life, the opportunities you have, or the simple pleasures that bring you joy. Cultivating gratitude can shift your perspective and improve your overall mood. Mindful technology use. Be mindful of how much time you spend on electronic devices and social media. Consider setting specific times for checking emails and notifications, and take breaks from screens to be present in the real world. Mindful communication. Pay attention to the words you use and the tone of your voice when communicating with others. Practice active listening and show empathy and understanding in your interactions. Mindful pause. When faced with a stressful or triggering situation, take a moment to pause before reacting. Breathe deeply and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This can help you respond more thoughtfully and effectively. Mindfulness during daily activities. Turn routine activities into mindful practices. For example, while brushing your teeth, focus on the sensation of the toothbrush against your teeth and the taste of the toothpaste. Mindful appreciation. Take moments throughout the day to appreciate the beauty and goodness around you. It could be the sight of a blooming flower, a kind gesture from a colleague, or the warmth of the sun on your face. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that requires practice. Begin with short sessions and progressively extend the duration as you become more at ease with the practice. With consistent effort, mindfulness can evolve into a valuable tool for managing stress and improving your overall well-being. It's crucial to remember that mindfulness isn't about reaching a particular goal, but rather fostering a curious and non-judgmental awareness of your experiences. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you continue to practice. Over time, you'll probably observe the positive influence mindfulness has on your well-being and the overall quality of your life. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we encourage you to do so now. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, and you'll be notified as soon as we release new content.